Now, this is a historic week. In the fight against the Wuhan virus, two major vaccine programs are now underway. Russia kicked off mass inoculation over the weekend. Tomorrow, the United Kingdom will begin using the Pfizer vaccine. India is not far behind. Two vaccine makers, at least, have sought approvals from the regulator in India. Our next report brings you up to speed with the latest developments.
An eventful day for the Croydon Hospital in London. These boxes contain the first supplies of the Pfizer vaccine. It was approved last week. Now, 800,000 vials like these are being distributed across the United Kingdom.
It's just incredible, actually. Obviously, I can't hold them in my hands because they are minus 70 degrees, but to know that they are here and we are amongst the first in the country to actually receive the vaccine and therefore the first in the world is just amazing. I'm so proud.
Health workers handling the vials must do so with care. Like this health worker, who has to wear a mask, face shield, and special gloves to pull out the supplies from a box containing dry ice. The vaccine will be administered starting Tuesday at around 50 hospital hubs in England. Supplies have been sent to Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland too, who will begin their rollout on the same day.
The first patients who will be given the jab we expect to be the elderly who are either already attending hospital for an appointment of some sort or who may be in hospital and are preparing to be discharged. And when those first doses have been administered, we also expect that some vulnerable members of the NHS, the National Health Service staff, will be administered jabs as well. So it's a case of hospitals receiving the vaccine, storing the vaccine, getting it ready to administer, and then also working out exactly which patients are going to go first.
Russia is scaling up its own program too. The Kremlin approved the Sputnik V vaccine way back in August, while it is still not clear if the vaccine is fit for wide use. Russia is ready to give the shots to its citizens. Over the weekend, the most vulnerable Russian citizens were given the jab. Even military personnel are taking the vaccine. The shot is being distributed for free, but not everyone in Moscow wants it.
If at least 30% get positive results, I will get a jab too. But I work in medicine. During the last 6 months, I did not catch it.
I have some chronic illnesses and do not want them to get worse. To get vaccinated means to go through a disease. And we do not know how it would impact my illnesses. That's why I remain wary of it.
Despite the skepticism in Russia, the makers of Sputnik V are on an expansion drive. A trial is underway in India. The Russians have promised to deliver 100 million doses to Indians. But they are a step behind the Oxford vaccine. The Serum Institute that will be supplying the Oxford shot has filed for emergency authorisation, with a promise of commercial rollout in March. Pfizer too wants the Indian government to permit its vaccine in the country. With Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi promising a vaccine within weeks, it seems like the end of the Wuhan virus pandemic is finally in sight. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
Thank you for watching Gravitas on WION's YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date with what's happening around the world, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching WION World is One.